Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll explain how you can earn money on Cash App by playing games and completing tasks. While payouts vary between apps and tasks, there are some reliable methods to turn your gaming time into real cash. One of the popular options is using apps like Cash App that allow you to play games or take surveys for money. These platforms often display your real-world balance clearly and offer multiple ways to earn, catering to different user preferences. For instance, Cash App rewards users with points or chips based on gameplay. Some games may give a small cash equivalent after reaching certain milestones, but typically, the longer you play, the lower the reward rate becomes. This is a common method used to encourage engagement while limiting payouts. Surveys, however, tend to be more profitable than playing games. Spending just 10 minutes completing a survey can often earn significantly more than several hours of gameplay. Many of these apps, including Cash App, also have additional features like leaderboards, daily streak bonuses, and referral systems where you can share earnings with friends without affecting their rewards. These tools help maximize your income potential. Withdrawal options usually include PayPal, Cash App Balance, or virtual cards with the minimum cash out limits. Testing these withdrawals confirms that legitimate apps pay promptly once your account is verified. Other similar earning apps exist, such as Bitcoin Tile Match or Supreme King, but they come with limitations. Bitcoin Tile Match pays in small cryptocurrency units, which often results in very low returns for the time spent. Supreme King offers gift cards and PayPal rewards, but requires a lot of effort to accumulate enough coins, making the process slower and less efficient. The key takeaway is to prioritize surveys over gameplay, use multiple apps to maximize earnings, and be cautious of slow payments or limited support. By focusing on the most profitable methods, you can make the most out of money-making apps like Cash App.